Viewers, we have some big breaking news coming in. Supreme Court declines to entertain Lalu Yadav's plea against High Court order refusing a stay on trial court's proceedings in the alleged land for jobs scam. And today, it's a major setback for Lalu Yadav in his fight to get the case and also to get a stay on the hearing. The Supreme Court has refused to entertain his plea. It has said that let the case continue, and Lalu Prasad Yadav's appeal and his request has been shot down. This is a major setback for Lalu Yadav, who has been tainted by the land for jobs scam that occurred between 2004 and 2009 when Lalu Yadav was the railway minister during the UPA rule. He has been accused of giving railway jobs to candidates without proper procedure. In return, families transferred land to Lalu Yadav's relatives. Lands were allegedly undervalued, sold at dirt cheap prices to the Yadav family, and no public advertisement or notification for job vacancies. CBI has alleged a quid pro quo deal between Lalu and the job seekers. The payments were made in terms of land to secure jobs and not from cash. We have Shambhavi joining us live from outside the Supreme Court. Shambhavi, it's a major setback for Lalu Yadav in the land for job scam. Tell us about what happened at the Supreme Court and on what grounds did the Supreme Court refuse to entertain his plea?
Well, it was a very brief proceeding. The Supreme Court clearly declined Lalu Yadav's plea for them to actually put a stay on the proceedings that were actually going on in trial court. This CBI filed an FIR against Lalu Yadav in this land for job scams back in 2022, and after that it filed 3 consecutive charge sheets. One is 2022 and then another in 2023 and 24. And then the trial court took cognizance and summoned Lalu Yadav. That is how the proceedings were going on. But then Lalu Yadav approached the High Court for asking to stay the proceedings in the trial court. But then the High Court declined his plea. After that, he approached the Supreme Court, and now Supreme Court has shot him down and has asked him to go back to the High Court if he wants his plea to be considered.
Shambhavi, what are the charges against Lalu Yadav in this scam? Help us understand the case that CBI is closely tracking.
Well, there were some recruitments which were made in Indian Railways when Lalu Yadav was the Union Railway Minister around 2004 to 2009. It allegedly he let candidates in the system without following proper procedure, and in return the candidate and the candidate's family actually gave pieces of land to Lalu Yadav and his family, and also sometimes to his close associates as well. So CBI took note of this and filed the first charge sheet in 2022.
Also, Shambhavi, with the Supreme Court now shooting down his appeal, what does it mean?